You're already better than everyone here. Going straight to the vert wall, all right. What is up, you guys? We are here today with two very special guests. On my right, we have
Kieran,
and on my left, we have
Phoenix.
Amazing name. It reminds me of Harry Potter Order of the Phoenix,
yeah, you know,
which is
cool.
one of my favorite movies.
I'm from Phoenix, Arizona.
All right, so how long have you guys been skating?
I've been skating for around like 5 years.
5 years, wow.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Around 5 years too.
Same. Wow. These guys have been shredding for 5 years, and how old are you?
I am 15.
And you're 15, and you are?
10.
Wow. A good portion of your life that you've been skating already.
Yeah.
And you're already better than everyone here. So you're from Australia,
Yep.
which is just right off the bat amazing. So these guys are gonna show us what they can do. And real quick, I heard you're sponsored by Santa Cruz and you're flow for Santa Cruz?
Yeah.
My mind is absolutely blown. I think we should just get started. Welcome to the Braille House. We're
Thank you.
happy to have you guys. Go ahead and shred it.
Yeah.
Destroy this place. Tear it up.
Do you want to do an apprenticeship with Braille Skateboarding? We are partnering with GenM on an exciting new project. GenM is a free online school where you learn how to do digital marketing and then you do apprenticeships so you really get the tools down. They connect you with businesses that need marketing help and they give away a $5,000 scholarship every 3 months to one of the lucky students. All you need to do to become eligible for the $5,000 scholarship is to complete an apprenticeship on the program. What I'm super excited about is we are doing our very own Braille Skateboarding social media apprenticeship. Uzi Walker runs the social media and we're looking for help on Facebook. Anyone with Facebook marketing skills, log in, apply to the apprenticeship. I look forward to seeing your applications and working with you. You can learn from us, you'll help us market, it's a win-win, and who knows, it might just be the start of your favorite dream career. You do not need to be local to do this. You can be anywhere in the world. It is on the internet, so it doesn't matter where you live, anyone can apply. Check the link in the description below and check it out. If you don't make the cut this time for Braille Skateboarding Apprenticeship, there are tons of other awesome businesses on there, and we will be doing another one with them in the future. Let's go, Braille Army.
All right, so you guys can just pick an obstacle and whatever you guys want to skate. Oh, going straight to the vert wall, all right. Oh my gosh. Nigel! These kids got you beat, brother! Yes, they do, brother. You better go defend your home court. Oh! Woo! Wow. That was a good one. I threatened Nigel's his status of king of the wall, and he came and delivered. What? Wait, real quick. So I just saw you on Instagram doing something at Fremont. What was that?
720.
You did a 720 at the big pool in Fremont. Unreal. Good job. I can't even 720 on my legs, and he did it in the huge bowl at Fremont. Would you do that? No. No, I wouldn't even try it. I'm confused. Like, the commitment it takes to bail on your knees like that is unreal. Oh!
You like clap the birds. That's the thing about doubles, you gotta coordinate it like a dance.
Don't you take out our special guest, Carlos.
They high-fived the board.
Oh! You got rip surf. No, Dan, I leave you alone for 2 minutes and you come back acting a fool. You messed it up, Carlos!
I've ruined everything.
I think you need to wax the ground. Woo! He's got it. He's just got to get used to the vert. Carlos!
I'm getting too old for this, man.
Just a man in his Timbs.
You got that, Carlos?
Oh, hell no. I can't do backside for some reason.
Really?
Yeah, it's so confusing for me.
Yes. You got that. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, Park.
Ah, that was a good one.
That was little baby one. I'm appalled. Dude, his frontside flip, Kieran.
Wait, what?
Yeah, dude, that was proper. Yeah.
Man, I wanna get to that level, but I'm just not on that level of transition yet.
If you fell like that, you'd probably shatter both of your arms and both of your legs. You'd literally just cease to exist. You'd just Thanos get dusted into nothingness. Oh, very nice, Los Litos. Very nice. Oh, that was very close. Carlos, you're not gonna be able to walk tomorrow if you keep this up. Getting closer every time. Woo! We got flying boards. You all right? I think he hurt his foot.
Oh no.
All right, so Phoenix got hurt. The wall is deadly, man.
I'm telling you, like, I cracked my rib on that thing, dude. Like, it's no joke. I mean, I wish I could sugarcoat it, but that's skateboarding. You know, you're gonna get hurt every now and then, and unfortunately, he just bit the dust on that one. That sucks. But right now we have Kieran still available, so me and him are just gonna sesh up this park and see what we can get done. Okay?
Let's get it. Wow. Woo! Keep it going. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, Nigel. There it is. Yeah. Woo! We gotta keep it going. Warm up, Betty, warm up. Did Dan just skate the stairs? That dip! That dip! Did you see that dip? What?
I'm not warmed up for this.
That's what I live for.
Body! Woo!
I like the look of that one.
Yeah.
What? Carlos's wax is getting out of hand.
Oh. Oh. Woo! You all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bambi has fallen.
I'm getting better at that trick.
I've never done this down a stair set.
Really?
Yeah, never.
You got it right here.
Got it.
That was it. Yeah! Dude, you absolutely crushed it, and you crushed it too. Sadly, Phoenix, he bruised his ankle bone is what Carlos is telling me? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Fortunately, yeah.
Oof. So he's going to the doctor right now. We really hate to see it, and we hope he's okay. So leave him a nice comment below, because he was out here trying to get a 540 on the Wallride. That is absolutely incredible. But you came out here and crushed the entire park.
Tried to.
No, you did. You skated better than Carlos, but you didn't hear that from me.
Yeah.
So a big thanks for coming out here to the Braille house. We're really happy to have you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And is there anything you'd like to shout out? Instagram, YouTube channel, anything like that?
Follow me on Instagram, KieranWoolley_.
And Phoenix's Instagram will be in the description below as well, so you can definitely check those out.
I still suck.